The Vapor M4S Hybrid cleans floors and surfaces. When you're finished cleaning the floor, you disconnect the extension tubes, and now the unit can actually be used in portable mode, and we'll show you how to use some of the various attachments. When you're cleaning with steam, you're using a two-handed approach. You're steaming the surface and then you're wiping dry with another microfiber cloth. So I want to show you how you can do stone and granite bench tops or any other kitchen surface. All right, for the kitchen area, you use the small brush and you put on this little fitted pad to cover up the bristles. We would use the bristles if you're doing removing soap scum from shower screens and shower tiles. All right, so the hot steam is used to loosen the dirt off the surface that you're cleaning, and then you take another microfiber cloth and to wipe the surface dry. The superheated steam will soften up the dirt that's on your surfaces, and then you simply wipe dry with a microfiber cloth. All right. I would remove the little nylon, the little fitted pad when you use the nylon bristles to remove soap scum from shower screens and shower tiles, or you can pop on the detailed nozzle. The detailed nozzle has the highest pressure because it's all coming out from one opening to blast dirt out of the very tight areas. If you need a little bit of a scrubber, you've got the little nylon brush there to add to do inside sliding door and window tracks. Or if you've got tile grout or wall grout, you've got your tile grout brush. The high pressure and the bristles in combination will restore your tile grout on your floors to look like new. And when you want to clean your windows and mirrors, you've got your dedicated window tool to clean windows and mirrors. Safe to use on polyurethane kitchen cupboards. Steam and wipe dry with another microfiber cloth. Steam is very effective for your stove and glass cooktops. And you wipe dry with the second microfiber cloth.